We've just acquired this stunning Jaguar 2-litre diesel. It's the R Sport. It's in lovely condition. It's got the rear park distance control. It's got the R Sport body styling and rear spoiler. Reverse camera, reverse parking sensors. Boot area is in lovely condition. What's lovely about this is the interior. Two-tone black and red interior, I just love it. With matching carpet mats as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors. So it does 73,279 miles. It's got satellite navigation. It's got heated seats. Reverse camera. Different ways of driving it, different driving styles and modes. It's got the AUX, USB and the sat nav there. Climate control. Cruise control. R Sport steering wheel. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.